Hello, Tremaster Thompson here, back with another unboxing video. Just a little update on Makoto. I did paint her buffer rings red, so she'll kind of like match the other engines. Anyways, I have not come with, here's a new unboxing video amongst another D51 class. You may know him as the Master of the Railway Hero. Right now, as I know this, I'm during the process of making a scene from Hero the Rail, so let's get right down to opening up Hero, so I can use this in my movie remake. Now I'm glad this came in time too. Sorry, it's nighttime here. Sorry, the camera cut. Now, sorry, this phone just keeps cutting off. Now, here's the Plarail Hero. When I get to my D51 class, which I named Makoto, you can see there's some similarities as the differences between the two engines. Now here's a comparison to my old Hero, which is still dressed as Patchwork Hero. One thing to note between the two heroes is that the Dreadmaster version seems to be smiling, a lot, while the Plarail version seems to be, just like, have that kind of a concerned look on his face, but I'll take it either way. He is a good looking hero though. I have another success bag around. I'm gonna take the one out of the book that I gave him and use it to test Hero. So this hero will appear in my series from the 12th season onwards. He hasn't appeared in season 12 yet, but he will in this mode. And he opens the same way as this D51 class over here. It's just like it, only it works really well and it doesn't have the light up feature. Now this is a very nice car Hero came with. It looks like the car that, well, never mind, but I do like the extra cargo too. Okay, here is Hero's first test run. Now, I'm gonna write the two D51 classes together. Hiro first. Wow, Hiro's way faster than the other D51 class. So that's it for Hero's unboxing video. They will be in the 12th season episode Magic at as Hero's sister comes to Sodor for the first time from Japan. And this hero will be in Hero the Rails, and that D51 class as Makoto will be in the flashback scenes, when Thomas discovers Hero. Right after I redo that part. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.